Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabriel here with localrankingninja.com, and in this video I'd like for you to meet a brand new special character who's going to be appearing on this channel. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hey everyone, I'm Kai, your ASCO Ninja assistant. I'm here to help you slice through the world of SEO, strategy, and digital marketing like a true ninja. Quick, sharp, and always ready for action. Let's get started.
Awesome. All right. So let's start by asking you a few questions that'll help the audience out. And I'm just going to be reading off some common questions I get. How does that sound, Kai?
Sounds great, Gabriel. I'm ready to answer whatever comes my way. Let's dive in.
Perfect. All right. First question I have here, and this is one I get asked a lot, is are citations and backlinks the same thing? Are links from citations backlinks? What are your thoughts on this, Kai?
Great question. While citations and backlinks both involve links, they're not exactly the same thing. A citation is simply a mention of your business on another website, usually with your name, address, and phone number, NAP. It doesn't necessarily have to link to your website. It just references your business information. A backlink, on the other hand, is a hyperlink from another website that points directly to your site. It's a key factor in SEO because it helps improve your site's authority and rankings. So yes, links from citations can be considered backlinks if they actually link to your site. But not all citations will have that link. Does that clear things up?
100%. I completely agree. So I have another question here, and I'm just going to be pulling some questions from the Facebook group for one of my courses the students are asking. I have a question here, and I've gotten this question quite a lot, Kai, and it's about what to do when you have multiple locations with Google My Business.
That's a great one. Managing multiple locations with Google My Business can be a bit tricky, but with the right strategy, you can maximize your visibility. Here's how I'd tackle it. 1. Separate listings for each location. Each location should have its own Google My Business listing. This helps Google understand the relevance of each location to the people searching near it. 2. Consistency is key. Make sure each listing has consistent information, including the business name, address, phone number, and hours. Local SEO loves consistency across the web. 3. Optimize for each location. Create unique content for each listing that's relevant to its specific area. Use local keywords and post updates or offers tailored to the particular location. 4. Use location groups. If you manage many listings, you can group them together in your Google My Business dashboard. This helps with easy management and monitoring. 5. Avoid duplication. If you're offering the same service in multiple locations, make sure the content doesn't overlap too much across your listings. Focus on unique aspects of each location. By treating each location as its own entity, you'll be able to rank for local searches and increase visibility across the board. What do you think, Gabriel? Does that align with your approach?
Perfect. I have a few more questions I'd like to read you from actual people in my Facebook group, if you don't mind.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Go ahead and hit me with the next one.
All right, this is another question I have in the Facebook group, and it's what do you do when you're shadow banned with your Google My Business listing?
Getting shadow banned on Google My Business can be really frustrating. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to try and resolve it. 1. Check for policy violations. Google might shadow ban a listing if it violates their guidelines, like keyword stuffing in the business name, false information, or using a PO box instead of a physical address. Go through your listing carefully and make sure everything is in line with Google's rules. 2. Verify your information. Ensure your business information, name, address, phone number, is consistent across all platforms. If Google sees discrepancies, they may reduce your visibility. 3. Optimize your listing. Fully optimize your Google My Business profile by adding quality photos, a detailed business description, services, and accurate operating hours. The more complete and accurate the listing, the better your chances of regaining visibility. 4. Avoid over-optimizing. Sometimes overly aggressive SEO tactics can lead to shadow banning, especially if you're spamming posts or using misleading categories. Keep it natural and organic. 5. Request a review. If you think you've been mistakenly shadow banned, you can request a review from Google My Business support. They might re-evaluate the listing and lift the restriction. 6. Build reviews and engagement. Encourage legitimate reviews and interactions from customers. The more positive engagement you get, the more likely Google will see your business as a trusted local entity. 7. Monitor competitors. Sometimes Google can accidentally shadow ban listings in competitive areas. Take a look at your competitors' listings and see if they're experiencing similar issues. It can take time to see results, but staying consistent and following these steps can help improve your listing's visibility. Does that help?
100%. Let me pull up some more questions here. All right, I have another question from people. I'm just pulling it up here. Someone asks, how does the Google My Business listing affect the organic results? I have a theory that a good Google My Business will give your site a big boost. Kai, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Did you hear my question, or do you need me to repeat it?
I didn't catch a new question. Could you repeat it for me?
Sure. Okay, so someone in the Facebook group asked this question. They said, how does the Google My Business listing affect organic results? I have a theory that a good Google My Business will give you a big boost organically.
You're absolutely right. A well-optimized Google My Business GMB listing can indeed give a significant boost to your organic results. Here's why. 1. Local pack visibility. A strong GMB listing increases your chances of appearing in the local pack, which is the top section of search results with maps and local businesses. This can drive a ton of traffic to your website and physical location, directly impacting your organic visibility. 2. Relevance and authority. Google uses your GMB listing as a signal of local relevance. The more complete and accurate your listing, the better chance you have of being considered a trusted business. A well-maintained listing can help you rank higher, not just in the local pack, but also in the organic search results. 3. Engagement signals. Customer reviews, Q&A, photos, and regular updates signal to Google that your business is active and trustworthy. These interactions influence organic ranking, as Google values businesses that are engaged with their audience. 4. Keyword optimization. Including relevant keywords in your GMB profile without keyword stuffing can help Google understand what your business offers, giving it a better chance to rank for those terms in both the local pack and organic results. 5. Citations and NAP consistency. Your GMB profile is often used as a source of citation for your business. Having consistent NAP, name, address, phone number data across the web contributes to your website's overall authority and organic rankings. So yes, a good GMB listing is an essential part of local SEO and can give your organic results a solid boost. Would you agree with that approach?
100%. I'm now going to go through some of the Facebook message questions I have, so give me 1 second to pull those up.
Take your time. I'm here whenever you're ready.
Okay, I have a question here, and this is a really good one. It's how long on average do SEOs spend working with individual clients per month?
Great question. The amount of time an SEO spends working with a client can vary based on the size of the business, the scope of the project, and the complexity of the SEO needs.
Let me interrupt
On
you,
average,
Kai.
here's a rough
Let
breakdown.
me interrupt you, Kai, for a second.
1. Small businesses.
Kai.
For local businesses, where clients are billed based on the expense. Does that answer your question, or would you like to dig deeper into any of these?
Let's frame it as a small business that doesn't have a lot of heavy competition. How many hours would someone have to work with per client of that type, where it's a small business, they don't have a lot of competition, older folks are the competition, and where the ranking is going to be fairly easy? How many hours would you say, Kai, for a project like that?
For a small business with low competition, where rankings are relatively easier to achieve, an SEO might spend around 10 to 15 hours per month on average. Here's how that time might break down. Initial setup and audit, first month. Around 5 to 6 hours for website audit, keyword research, and on-page optimization, meta tags, headers, etc. Ongoing optimization, subsequent months. Around 5 to 10 hours per month for maintaining the listing, monitoring performance, updating content, and optimizing Google My Business, GMB. You'd also be handling light backlinking, answering customer reviews, and making minor tweaks based on analytics. If the competition is minimal and the business is relatively well established, you can maintain steady rankings with relatively less work, focusing on consistent local SEO and content updates. Would that sound right for a client like that, Gabriel?
Absolutely. I think we've hit all the time we have in this YouTube video. Is there anything you'd like to tell the people before we wrap up?
I'd just like to say it was an absolute pleasure being here today, sharing insights with all of you. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint, so stay consistent and always focus on providing value. Whether you're working with small businesses or larger clients, the basics of good SEO are always the same. relevance, authority, and engagement. Thanks for having me, Gabriel, and I look forward to helping you all grow.
Of course, guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed what Kai had to say, leave a like, drop a comment down below, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you can get notified if we do another video just like this. This was my first time ever talking to Kai. If this video is popular, if you guys want to see him come back on the channel, let me know in the comments down below and we'll do something like that.
Sounds like a great way to wrap it up, Gabriel. I'm sure the audience will enjoy it.
All
Looking
right,
forward to
guys.
seeing how it all turns out.
Perfect. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Like and subscribe if you want to become an SEO ninja.